This is a page of Eats and Beats for the coming event. You know what we found there?
Daddy!
Here we are at Logan Super Center. The Eat and Beats is here today between IKEA and this building. Just like last year.
Hi guys, today we at IKEA. We're at the night markets. So let's go outside. Let's follow me.
Have you watched the last Eat and Beats episode? It was a disaster in the rain. Anyway, this market presents both food and music. As we found an iconic tree, it is time to make some evidence. Well, shall we have a look at the market then? This time, there are stalls around the tables in the middle. Here is the stage. We found a stall from IKEA. It is winter now. We met one generous staff. Thanks for the chocolate. Now you are watching a child with too much sugar. There is one motorbike group which opened their own stall selling a raffle, and the kids had an experience with a bike. Number 4 loves transportation. He seems a little nervous with the stranger.
Yes, you look nice. Thank you. Sean, thanks to him. Thank you.
It is time to find our companion to have dinner together. It is time for dinner. We found a Channel 9 booth. Their number 3 is presenting the news.
Santa is gone forever. Find Santa. You have to find him or I'll kill you for dinner.
We are going to have fried rice for dinner. And here all the kids are shouting, meat, meat, meat. Santa is really coming to town. And kids are happy for candies. Merry Christmas. There seems to be an event called Wrapping Present.
Check it out. This should be a lot of fun, and it should be something pretty interesting. So I'm excited to see what happens here. So we'll be setting up some tables right here in front of the stage. But hang around, come and check.
Kids rush to be near the stage.
Introduce our awesome contestants here. I'm going to go through the rules and how this is going to work, also to explain it mostly to myself. All right, when I say go,
competitors have to wrap one present in 3 minutes with the items which they got in the box.
presents with this ribbons and tape and paper.
Meatball from IKEA is coming by.
They'll have exactly 2 minutes, and when I say stop, they can't be touching things. They're going to stand straight back from the table and then leave it as it is right there. And we'll have Magnus Meatball from IKEA come up here with his high present knowledge to be the judge. There he is. Magnus is a he name, I think. I'm going to go with that. And the winner is going to take away a $100 IKEA voucher and a $50 Logan Supercenter voucher and a $50 Eats and Beats voucher. So there's a lot here. That little thing on there means thank you. And what is your name? Laura, where are you from?
And number 3 and 4 wants to
Awesome.
high five
And, what
with
have you
the
got for us to wrap
meatball.
today? Duck tea. Nice. Okay. Awesome. And what is your name? Lucky last. Shalice, where are you from?
Sean, high five. High five.
Stratton. Okay, nice. And what have you got for us here to wrap? Lillabo. Nice. Okay. I love that. I have no idea what these words mean. You ready? Okay, we're gonna go 3, 2,
It starts.
1, go. Yeah, 25 tomorrow.
There is a new swimming school which opened in the Supercenter. This is the craft table from the school.
7:30 as the lyrical.
You can see number 4 eating and painting at the same time. One by one, the others came and started to paint. Let's have a look at this new swim place. A small but well-organized swim school. Kids are focusing on painting now. This one finally put the brush in his mouth. It is getting dark.
Jinu, you want ice cream cone? You want ice cream cone?
Yes.
Sean, you want ice cream cone? Yes.
When it is hot, there is one thing which is always right. Ice cream.
Oh?
Kids playtime on the corner of IKEA. We could leave after they played there for a long time. Stopping by the IKEA booth again when we are going back. It seems really snowy in the night. Here to Elsa come with Let It Go.